In the context of remote work and the increasing popularity of cloud infrastructure, VPNs, virtual private networks, have become essential for businesses. Traditionally, VPNs have operated on a castle and moat model. In this analogy, all of the organization's resources are located inside a castle, which is protected by a moat. Anyone who wants to enter the castle must cross a bridge, represented by the VPN server. Here's how this model works. An user connects to the internet and requests access to internal systems through a data encryption tunnel called a VPN tunnel. External firewall checks whether the connection is trustworthy. If valid, send to VPN server. VPN server authenticates the user. If successful, opens the VPN tunnel. Internal firewalls control access to server zones, but if not strictly limited and controlled, users can freely enter many different areas and zones. The traditional VPN model has many inherent disadvantages. 1. Easy to overload. With only one entrance, all the traffic burdens the VPN bridge. When the number of visitors increases, the VPN can easily become overloaded. 2. Difficult to manage. This model requires complex, multi-layered configurations and highly technical administrators. Therefore, the burden falls not only on the bridge but also on the IT personnel. 3. Costly. With this method, it is necessary to invest large amounts of money in a large team of highly specialized security engineers or use additional security solutions. To protect your organization more safely, conveniently, and economically, VinCSS introduces a zero-trust network access solution designed to replace traditional VPNs. Operating on the zero-trust philosophy, this solution never trusts anyone by default, even those who have successfully passed through the gate. Here's how the model operates. Users authenticate based on each device they use, referred to as a peer. Each peer is individually identified for separate control. The FIDO2 standard enables a passwordless, strong authentication process that takes only seconds to complete. It is fast, straightforward, secure, and cannot be easily forged. Next, information about the user and peer is sent to a centralized management interface. An authorized person, who could be an IT staff member, department head, or team leader, will receive a notification requesting permission for access. The approver reviews and grants permissions according to the company's policy. For instance, if LA is accessing with an office computer, the peer, in addition to the public zone where internal documents accessible to all employees are stored, this peer may also have access to specialized accounting applications in the secure zone. Conversely, if LA's other peer is a personal phone that is infrequently used for work, the approver can grant temporary access for a specific duration to ensure security. This means that LA may have different permissions based on the device used for access. When LA's peer is approved, they will see the areas they can access. Operating on the zero-trust philosophy, the model never trusts anyone by default, even if they have been approved previously. For public zone resources, LA can access and use them immediately. But for secure zone resources, LA will undergo thorough verification. This ensures that resources are accessed only by the correct person at the right time for the correct purpose, and that access is revoked immediately after the session ends. LA can only be authorized to access the designated area within a specified time limit, using a peer-to-peer encrypted tunnel that features advanced protection through quantum digital technology. The system meticulously records all access behaviors, ensuring that in the event of an incident, we can determine exactly what LA did, with which device, where, and when. With this solution, all the vulnerabilities of traditional VPNs have been effectively addressed. There is no longer any bottleneck associated with relying on a single tunnel. The workload for the technical team is significantly reduced, as they no longer need to manually manage each IP address and firewall. Instead, everything is now easily managed based on company policies, allowing even non-technical staff to ensure quick and secure access for each peer with minimal privileges, one of the fundamental principles of security. Not only is management simplified, but the overall level of safety and security has also increased significantly. The solution employs cutting-edge technologies, including strong passwordless authentication based on the FIDO2 standard, post-quantum defense strategies, zero-trust control mesh networks, and a structure that facilitates detailed checks and easy access at every step on the device. VinCSS's ZTNA solution not only replaces traditional VPNs, but also creates a virtual network layer over the existing physical network, known as a network overlay. This capability allows you to divide the system into multiple, logical partitions, clearly defining who can access specific areas, from which devices, and during which timeframes. All of this is managed entirely through software, eliminating the need for additional firewalls and avoiding the complexities of previous network configurations. As a result, even though various users share the same Wi-Fi network in your office, an accountant's computer will be unable to access the HR or engineering systems. This level of segregation, which previously required investment in separate switches or routers, along with extensive firewall configurations for each area, is now achievable without the need for additional equipment or significant operational effort. Are you ready to protect your organization with much more revolutionary and economical technology that eliminates the shortcomings of older models and pioneers post-quantum defense? Contact VinCSS now.